Hey guys, welcome back. So I have been receiving a few requests to do technical analysis on the chart for Bitcoin Cash. So this is the chart for Bitcoin Cash versus US dollar, and these are the one-day candles from Bitfinex. And really, I have nothing new to say since my last analysis on Bitcoin Cash. These are the lines that I had here on my last video for Bitcoin Cash, and I said that I expected Bitcoin Cash to go sideways for some more time until it breaks on the upside. And the last video, I think we were in this candle. Actually, I remember now. We were exactly in this candle, so this is 4 days ago, because these are the one-day candles. This candle was going up. Like it was looking like it was gonna break out, but I said I was expecting this actually to go sideways, and that's exactly what happened. It went up a little bit, then it went down, up again, down, so it's going sideways. I said this some time ago. I think $2,400 is a good price to buy Bitcoin Cash, in my opinion. It's found good support at this level. So, and also I draw this arrow in my last video, going all the way up here, but we're still not in this arrow. So I expect this to continue to go sideways for a couple more days, maybe 3 more days, maybe a week. I don't know exactly when, but we're still not in this arrow here that I draw in my last video. So guys, I use the one-day candles. I don't use the 5 minutes candles. So if I make a video doing analysis on the one-day candles and I don't make another video updating, it means nothing happened. I mean, just go back to my last video that you see Bitcoin Cash on the title and look at the analysis, and you know, I make my analysis to last 4 days or weeks usually, because I look at the general trend, at the bigger picture. I don't look at the 5 minutes candles like other channels do. So really, there's nothing new to update here. You know, what I said in the last video, it's exactly what's happening, and I expect still a few more days before we break in the upside. But the general direction is still bullish. It's just resting here. And now I wanted to talk a little bit about the general trend for Bitcoin versus the altcoins in general, because we had yesterday finally a pump on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going down for a long time now, down and sideways. So for the past 4 or 5 days, more or less, I don't know exactly, maybe 3-4 days or 5 days, something like that, I stopped buying altcoins. And when I say buy, I mean using my BitConnect earnings or Bitcoins that I had from before. It's been a very long time now since I don't use my money from my bank to buy anything related to crypto. I only use strictly my earnings from BitConnect, or sometimes Bitcoins that I had from before. So I have been buying and riding the uptrend for the altcoins for the past, a couple months. And now for the past 4 days, maybe 5, I stopped using my Bitcoin and my earnings to buy altcoins, and I'm just accumulating Bitcoin again here on my Bitcoin wallet inside the BitConnect platform, because I thought Bitcoin was way too low for way too long, at around $14,000. So I thought it was not likely for Bitcoin to break on the downside. I thought it would bounce at some point, because it's overdue. It was overdue for a bounce anyways. So for the past 4 or 5 days, I have been stopped investing in altcoins and keeping my Bitcoins here on my Bitcoin wallet. And we will see what happens, but altcoins are still looking okay. I mean, I have here the chart for EOS, for example, just to mention one. It's still uptrending. It's only going sideways. I mean, all the altcoins have been pumping a lot, like way too much, way too quick, and now they are just retracing. We could have a reversal and see how all the money from the altcoins go back into Bitcoin. We could see that. Of course, anything can happen, but I don't think it's likely. I think altcoins are still in a strong uptrend. They are just correcting a little bit from the super pump that they had these past days. Same with Fanfare. I have Fanfare here. It had a super rally here, so now it's just resting and consolidating before the next pump. Altcoins still look very strong. Stronger than Bitcoin, in fact, but Bitcoin was overdue for a bounce and start going up again. So, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just keeping my Bitcoin here on my Bitcoin wallet, and maybe when I feel Bitcoin is high enough, we will see if it breaks the previous all-time high. It's expected that it will break it, so if it breaks the all-time high, I might continue to hold Bitcoin here inside my BitConnect platform, because I don't want to transfer it, because I don't want to pay the fees. But when I feel it's expensive enough, I might sell it to my bank account to cash out some money soon, because I didn't cash out into my bank account for several months now. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm planning. I think I'm gonna leave the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.